Everybody, today's video is about Owen's new train track that he's built. This is a fantastic track. Look, it goes all the way around. There's 3 lanes what go underneath the bridge, and he built this all on his own. There's the train station. Look, here we go. Now he's driving the train around the train track. Excellent.
This is all around the house.
Right, tell us all about it, Owen.
This train track is all around the house.
And where's it going to today?
Everywhere.
What's its final destination?
Right under the bridge.
Where's it going to? Is it going to Southend Airport?
No, this is only toy trains.
Wow.
And they go outside and then go back into the garden one.
Cool, that is an amazing train track. It all connects.
The train going under the bridge.
Fantastic. Here we go.
And then it goes over the bridge. Listen.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Dad. Dad.